Gel filtration chromatography. For this experiment, you will need pasteur pipettes, a column stand, distilled water, phosphate buffer, resin, a column, a marker, gloves, safety glasses, and a ruler. Begin by measuring the column to 10 centimeters from the base. Mark the 10 centimeter spot with a black pen or marker. Calculate the volume of the column using this measurement. After setting it up on the stand, measure the actual volume of the column. Close the valve and add distilled water up to the 10 centimeter mark using a pasteur pipette. Use a 1 milliliter pipette to draw out the water down to the base of the column. Use this method to determine the actual volume. Place a beaker under the column. Using a pipette, add approximately 3 milliliters of phosphate buffer to the column. Open the valve and allow the buffer to run through. Once the buffer has run through, close the valve. Obtain a tube of resin and invert to suspend the matrix. Using a pipette, add resin up to the top of the glass tube of the column. Open the column and allow the resin to pack. Add more resin as the matrix packs until the bed reaches exactly the 10 centimeter mark. Actual packing takes much longer than this. When the bed has packed to the 10 centimeter line, close the valve. Gently add a few milliliters of phosphate buffer. Allow the buffer to run through to the top of the resin bed. Close the valve and proceed with your experiment. If your column bed has packed above the 10 centimeter mark, add a small volume of buffer to the column to resuspend the matrix. Remove some of the resin with a pipette and allow the bed to pack again. Repeat if necessary. In case of bubble formation in your column, add buffer to the column and flush it up and down. This will resuspend the matrix and remove bubbles from the bed. You are now ready to begin column chromatography.